children. Hope you all are safe and good. Let's start our online class with a small prayer. Close your eyes. Loving God, fill us this day with the understanding of mind to be fully awake to your presence in our online class. Amen. Hello children. So last class we studied Unit 1 in Social Science. We completed the lesson. Today we shall recall what all we studied and we shall do the book exercise. Okay, let's start now. So we studied about excavation. What is excavation? Excavation is a controlled exploration of what lies under the surface of the earth. All forms of archaeological excavation required great skills and careful preparation. Excavation can be classified based on the purpose like planned, accidental and rescue. Most excavations are properly pre-planned and their purpose is to find buried evidence from the site. So what is excavation? In excavation, they will dig the ground and they will search for things that was used by your ancestors. With the help of those things, they will find out how people lived in those days and what are the things they used, how their lifestyle was. All these things they will find out. That is called as excavation. Okay. Now you can see the picture. This is excavation. They are digging the ground and they are taking the bones of animals, okay, that lived long ago. Okay, with the help of these bones they will find the age and when the animal was lived. All these things they will find out. So who is an archaeologist? They study the history of humans and places through excavation and analyze the artifacts. Excavation gives us a glimpse of the past. So the person who is excavating is called an archaeologist. So the archaeologist only, they will dig the ground and they will find out, examine the things that got from the underground and they will find out the past. Those people are called as archaeologists. Okay, there are people who dig the earth at various places to find things that people used before. These people are called archaeologists. Okay, the process of digging the ground is called as excavation. So excavation is a process of digging the ground, and who will dig the ground and find the past? The archaeologists will dig the ground and they will take out the things and they will find out the past. Okay. So some interesting example from world are, one is pyramids in Egypt. So when the pyramids were excavated, what happened? They found out small pyramids were made for queens and found huge tombs with superstructure which were built for the burial of royal family. Okay. So with the help of the excavation they found out skeletons, and with the help of the skeletons they found out the average weight and age of the people who lived in that place. Okay, so this is how pyramids were excavated and many things were found out. Okay, and other one is Indus civilization. So Indus civilization is also called as Harappan civilization. So it was the first site to be excavated in early 20th century. Okay, so while excavating, what they found out? So they were using baked bricks were found. So the city was well planned, proper sanitation system, proper well and a way to direct wastewater to closed drains, all was there. Okay, there were advanced granaries, great bath and protective walls. Granary means they will store all the grains and pulses, that is called as granaries. Great bath is like a swimming pool and a protective wall is like a wall they will build along the city, around the city, so that enemies cannot come and attack them. Okay, so it was found that a city and a civilization was very advanced for their time. So this is the picture of Indus civilization. Okay, and few things from Tamil Nadu, few sites from Tamil Nadu are, one is Adichanallur, which is in Thoothukudi district. So there what they found out, many pots of various kinds. So it was made up of red clay, black clay, then iron tools, daggers, swords, spears and arrows, some stone beads and few gold ornaments were found out. Okay, then bronze object representing domestic animals and wild animals like tiger, antelope and elements have been unearthed. So animals and domestic animals, wild animals made up of bronze they were found out underground. Okay, the people were very skillful in making pottery and in working stone and wood. So with the help of the things that they got underground, what they concluded? They concluded that the people lived in that place, they were very skillful in making pottery and working with stones and wood. Okay, these are the things that they found out from Adachanallur, that is in Thoothukudi district. Okay, then comes Arikamedu. So Arikamedu is an archaeological site situated near Pondicherry. Okay, so the excavation revealed that it was a coastal village. So Pondicherry means it is beach, so it is a coastal village, and they had a trade with Rome people. Okay, an archaeologist found Roman lamps, glass, stone, beads, gems, cutlery, crockery, and wine containers, etc. They noted for the local fishermen of the village, antiques were new. So these things that they found out, they were not used by the people of that place. It was used by the people. They came from Rome for trade. So they concluded that Rome people had trade with this place and they were coming and staying here. So all these things they found out. Okay, then comes Keezhadi. Keezhadi is another important site. Even now excavation is going on there and they are finding out many new things. Okay, so Keezhadi, it is situated in Sivagangai district. The Archaeological Survey of India ASI excavated an ancient town dating to Sangam age in Keezhadi. So it is a very olden city. It is the name of the village is Keezhadi at Tiruvubbanam Taluk. Okay, excavation have produced evidences for brick buildings and well laid out drainage system, Tamil Brahmis inscription on pottery, beads of glass, carnelian and quartz, pearls, gold ornaments and iron objects, shell bangles, ivory dies have been unearthed. Okay. So the Roman artifacts found at the site add the evidence to ancient Indo-Roman trade relationship. Okay, so even this place also they had a trade with Rome. So they found out the Indo-Roman trade relationship. Okay, and we shall go on to one word answer. So choose the correct answer. Dash, study the history of humans and places through excavation. Archaeologist. Small pyramids were made for the dash in Egypt, made for queen in Egypt. Okay, next, Indus civilization is also called as Harappan civilization. Adachanallur is in Thoothukudi. Keezhadi revealed the Sangam era. Okay, then match the following: pyramids, Egypt; baked bricks, Indus civilization; pottery, Adachanallur; Sivagangai, Keezhadi; Arikamedu, Roman lamp. So answer is 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. Okay, then comes true or false. So during excavation many artifacts were found. True. Indus civilization is located in Harappa. False. Why false means Indus civilization another name is Harappa. Okay, it is not located in Harappa. Adachanallur is an archaeological site in Coimbatore district of Tamil Nadu. False. Keezhadi excavation revealed that it was not a developed city. False. Roman lamps, glass, stone beads, gems, etc. were found in Arikamedu. It is true. Okay, children. So these are the book exercise. Please copy down in your textbook. Okay, try to learn all the one word answer and do the project. I have already given the project for first unit. That is, you have to collect the pictures of excavations of Tamil Nadu and stick it in the project note. Please do that also and send me. Okay, children. Now take care. Thank you. Bye.